Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G variant. So along with the release of the S10 Plus, S10 and S10e variants, Samsung also announced the first 5G smartphone from the company with the upgraded chip, bigger display and bigger battery life. So let's have a look at what all it offers in this video. So Samsung Galaxy S10 5G has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset, which has the 5G connectivity, and it also comes with a 6.7 inches Quad HD Plus resolution display with the dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass on the front and the back panel. So this also comes with the glass and metal construction and feels really premium. This is offered at 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. Now additionally, this device also comes with Android 9.0 out of the box, and it has the Samsung's One UI interface, which is a recently announced UI from Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy S10 5G will come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC with the Qualcomm's X50 5G modem, improving network speeds vastly. Now looking at the device, you can see that this device comes with a very large display. It's a 6.7 inches Quad HD Plus resolution display, but even with the larger display, the in-hand feel is pretty good thanks to the bezel-less design, and also you can see that the metal and glass construction gives it a good feel altogether. Now the device has Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection on the back and as well as the front panel. So overall the device feels really nice in hands and gives a good premium feel being a flagship smartphone. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G variant. Now looking at the display, the device has a Super AMOLED panel, and display has been one of the strong points of all the Samsung flagship smartphone because of the Super AMOLED display. So the display is really vibrant, colorful, crisp and offers great viewing angles as well. The display resolution is 1440 by 3040 pixels. It's a 19:9 aspect ratio with 502 pixels per inch. Now let's have a look at the software. So this runs on Android 9.0 out of the box, and this has Samsung's One UI. So One UI is a more refined UI and looks really nice, and it's a refreshing change from the Experience UI which we have seen on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now looking at the camera, so this device has a 4 camera setup. Unlike the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, this has a 4 camera setup. So it has a primary 12 megapixel f1.5 to 2.4 variable aperture camera. Then we have 12 megapixel f2.4 aperture camera with telephoto lens, and 16 megapixel ultra wide camera as well. And this also comes with a TOF camera for depth sensing, which gives it a good portrait mode included in the camera interface. So it has 4 cameras on the back panel. It also has the option to toggle the wide angle mode and the regular mode, and the selfie camera is again a pretty good selfie camera with a dual camera setup with this an in-display camera. We have a 10 megapixel f1.9 aperture camera with dual pixel autofocus and TOF secondary camera. Now talking about the battery life. So this device comes with a larger capacity battery. Unlike the S10 Plus, it has a 4500 mAh capacity battery, and this also supports fast charging. It has fast charging, 25 watt fast charging, and 15 watt wireless fast charging is supported, and it has USB Type-C port as well. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G variant. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.